Now, next type of formula is condensed formula. Condensed, as you can see, you people might have used condensed milk for forming different sweet dishes, for making different sweet dishes. What is it? It is a thick mixture. It is a thick milk. Okay, it is condensed. Condensed means thick, that is squeezed, that is thickened by evaporation. So over here condensed formula means you have to squeeze your formula. Okay, this squeezed formula will indicate only the groups of atoms that are joined together to each carbon atom in a straight chain or a branch chain. Okay, for example, over here we have studied about the structure formula of N-butane. Now in this N-butane, the first carbon atom is joined with 3 hydrogen atoms. So instead of writing these 3 hydrogen atoms separately, if I write CH3, then it will become a condensed formula. Okay, for example, over here you can see the structure formula of butane. The first carbon atom is joined with 3 hydrogen atoms, so it is CH3. Second is having 2 hydrogen atoms, so CH2. Third is also having 2 hydrogen atoms, so CH2. Fourth carbon is also having 3 hydrogen atoms in it, so it is CH3. So this formula is showing the groups of hydrogen atoms that are joined to each carbon atom in the chain. That is why this is a condensed formula. Okay, you can see the condensed formula of isobutane also. Over here it is also showing the groups of hydrogen atoms that are attached to each carbon atom. Last type of formula is electronic or dot and cross formula. Beta, dot and cross structures we have already drawn in chapter number 4 of class 9, that was called as Lewis structure. Okay, this formula shows the sharing of electrons between various atoms in one molecule of the organic compound. Okay, the electrons of one atom are valence electrons are only represented in this kind of formula, and valence electron of one atom are represented by dot and the other atom are represented by cross. Now you can see over here that this carbon atom is joined with one carbon atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. Okay, now the electrons of hydrogen are represented by cross and the electron of carbon are represented by a dot. This dot and cross will form one bond pair that is being shared between this hydrogen and this carbon atom. Okay, and this sharing of electron is shown by using dot and cross. So this structural formula that is showing the sharing of electron between carbon and hydrogen atom is called as a electronic formula or dot and cross formula. This is the structure of N-propane. Propane is formed of 3 carbon atoms. Okay, so it will have a chain of carbon atoms and hydrogens will be attached to it, and the valence electron of carbon and hydrogen will be represented by using dots and crosses. This is the structure of N-butane, in which 4 carbon atoms are joined through a straight chain. Okay, and hydrogen atoms are joined to the carbon atoms. Okay, and their sharing of electron is shown by dots and crosses. I hope that these structures are clear to you. At the end